The Mack Pioneer's adaptive cruise control system will help you maintain a safe following distance and can even handle stop-and-go traffic for you. Let's take a look. To turn on adaptive cruise control, press the cruise control button on the left side of the steering wheel. Then, using the steering wheel controls, select adaptive cruise control in the driver information display. Once selected, a white ACC icon will appear. As you reach your desired speed, press the Set button on the steering wheel to activate ACC. You'll know it's working when the ACC icon, set speed, and time gap indicators all turn green. Adaptive cruise control automatically maintains a safe following distance by adjusting the brakes to match the speed of the vehicle ahead. If the vehicle in front comes to a stop, ACC will help you stop the truck. For stops under 2 seconds, the stop and go feature will resume automatically. If the stop is longer than 2 seconds, simply press the throttle or the cruise resume button to continue driving. Adaptive cruise control takes some of the stress out of long hauls, giving you more control and safety on the road. It's another example of how the Mack Pioneer helps you drive smarter, not harder.